Like, this would be a fucking great spot for a POI. Oh my god, this thing has got a lot of gun. Like, that was some terrible fucking shots, you guys. Please, for the love of your fucking sanity. I'm losing my fucking mind playing this goddamn game! Fuck! So please, consider not playing this game. Ask you, brother, I mean, this is what I've built my whole community and my whole career off of the last 6 years, dude. And just, that'd be pretty fucking foolish to just leave it all behind, because there's, I mean, sucks, dude. I don't know. Like I said, I'm talking to an attorney tomorrow, and I'm gonna hopefully get some more answers, because my name is literally getting dragged through the mud. They won't fucking take over my PC. I'm looking into multiple people taking over my PC, and apparently there's ways to check if someone's put anything on my PC. It's just fucked that they just don't really give me any benefit of the doubt. Over the last 6 years of building up my reputation, they're just gonna fucking tear it down. It wasn't even, apparently it wasn't even an unlock tool. Get your hustle up. I mean, I don't know. They don't fucking tell me. I thought it was an unlock tool. I heard from one. I don't know, dude. No idea. If I have some sort of hardware on my PC, that's what they said. There's hardware manipulating the game memory on my PC. How the fuck am I still playing the same fucking game on a different account without getting banned again? Like, this would be a fucking great spot for a POI. Oh my god, this thing has got a lot of gun. Like, that was some terrible fucking shots, you guys. Can somebody make that make sense? I don't understand. I haven't done nothing to my fucking PC. How the fuck, if I got permanently banned on one account on the same fucking PC, how do I not get banned again on another account on the same PC? It doesn't make any fucking sense. But how do you get permanently banned on an account and not get hardware banned? Like, that just doesn't make sense to me. If I had software manipulation on my fucking machine, and that's the only account, that's the only PC that I played it on, how the fuck have I not gotten banned on this one? Because you would assume that the same fucking hardware is on this machine, because it literally, what's the difference? Like, I might have to start a fucking GoFundMe for fucking legal fees to get up against Activision, dude. My man, thank you, Juicy, for the 26 months. Save money up into the data, the prime with the the demon, to the dibba. Save money, I appreciate the fuck out of you, brother.
Hacker.
Hacker detected. Permaban incoming. Permaban incoming. That dude's definitely hacking. Ooh. I just got fucking melted.
Is the real BobbyPoff?
No, I'm pretty sure that guy got banned for cheating. I think that guy got banned for cheating, is what I heard. Bad Boy Beeman said that he got banned for cheating. Oh, he must have gotten banned for cheating. Like, that's a more appropriate name. No Seaman Beeman. He's pulling up again. Same guy. GG's.
We'll get him back.
Now I do a blatant cheater again.
SMG.
Same guy. GG's, brother. And I'm the one that gets banned for fucking having shit on my PC, and there's people running around like this, dude. Can y'all make it make sense? Yo, Rico, can you put on a show, brother? Yeah, I got permanently banned for cheating. Wow. How did this guy fucking lose that gunfight, dude? This guy's blatantly cheating. I would literally bet my life and my whole family's life that this guy's not cheating. He might have turned it off.
You know who's gonna be the one to lose.
I get banned and there's people running around like this. I just don't understand how someone like this doesn't get banned And I'm over here getting banned permanently for something I didn't even do. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like it just, I truly don't understand how this can be a fucking thing. These guys don't get banned whatsoever, and I'm over here getting full completely perma-banned. What, dude, Ricochet is the biggest scam, dude. If you could fucking compare Ricochet to one thing, it would probably be the fucking McFlurry machine from fucking McDonald's.
Gas is inbound, marking a new
How
safe
often
zone.
do you want to go to McDonald's and the fucking McFlurry machine doesn't work? Almost every single time. How often do you want to play COD, but you die to a fucking cheater? Almost every single time. Why? Because the anti-cheat is fucking dog shit. And here I am getting fucking permanently banned for no fucking reason. And this motherfucker, there's just, it's literally a fucking scam. They won't tell me this shit due to fucking internet security. Brother, this shit doesn't even fucking work. They got specialists and some giga guns, no. Bro, pick it up, get the special. Oh my god, and he dies just like that. Fucking potato. Is this guy legit or is he fucking hacked up too? This guy looks legit, but let's see here. Are these guys not seeing the specialist? Now he's gonna crash the fucking server. Oh my fucking god, now he's literally gonna crash the fucking server, dude. Unfucking believable. He literally crashed the server, dude. We literally just witnessed this, dude. Unfucking believable, dude. Bro, this is the type of shit that people do in this game and they get away with it. Ricochet is not a, how is this a thing? Unbelievable, dude. Unbelievable. This guy literally just crashed the server, dude. Apparently he did, the same guy, Recoil Wizard, did this during Rally solo nuke. So as soon as he dies, he floods the servers, dude. That is truly insane that we just witnessed that. Dude, people can crash the servers, dude. There's hacks that flood the fucking servers, dude. They literally flooded the McFlurry machine, dude. They flooded the dog shit Ricochet, dude. Unbelievable, dude. I mean, you guys, this is my job. I am so fortunate to be able to play video games for a living and I truly love it. But what Call of Duty has given us year after year and where Ricochet stands right now, don't play this fucking game. Please, for the love of your fucking sanity. I'm losing my fucking mind playing this goddamn game! Fuck! So please, consider not playing this game. And these guys roam the fucking game, cheating blatantly, hacking their ass off, flooding fucking servers, crashing any game they fucking want to. And Ricochet can't detect this. How the fuck do I get banned with no explanation, no fucking reason, no rhyme or reason? I've looked on my PC multiple fucking times. I'm literally paying somebody to fucking look at my PC tomorrow to tell me what they see. And you got people like this blatantly cheating, not missing shots, and then crashing the server, and they just can play the game for free. That is just insane, dude. The world's not fair, dude. The world is not fucking fair, dude.
We lost that one, but we'll get
GG's, brother. Same guy again. On that note, boys, I'm gonna go play a different game. Bro, my account is, okay, who has the website? Does someone have the website?
Behind me. Oh,
Does somebody have the website? Ricochet team, we have sent the COD unban tool to your agent. This issue will be resolved shortly.